Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to CIGRE Chat here at the symposium. Now, before we get started interviewing Greg from IPS Energy, a little bit of housekeeping for you all. You may have noticed you've got passports. Try to get around to all our exhibitors here during the symposium, and you could be in the chance to win one of three $300 R&M Williams gift vouchers. Absolutely fantastic. The Wi-Fi, the network you're looking for is CIGRE, and there is no password on that. So that's the Wi-Fi you jump onto, no password, and it's CIGRE. And you'll notice there is heaps of food and coffee stalls around here inside the arena, and also within and around the arena foyer. So make sure you go and check them out. If you can't find food or coffee in here, check out another booth. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here for our next CIGRE Chat, and I'm very excited to have the man, the myth, the legend. He is Greg Jones from IPS Energy. How are you, sir?
I'm fantastic. Are we actually seeing me?
Yeah, you can see yourself right up there now.
Yeah,
right
thanks, Terry. I'm really great. Kerry.
Yeah, either way. Just call me Nige.
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. Excellent to hear. Mate, tell us a little bit about IPS Energy.
Well, we're a global company, started in 2004 by our president, Dr. Željko Schreiner. We've expanded greatly since then all around the world, basically. I'm the managing director of the Australian company, and we're really highly focused on the energy industry, and particularly critical asset management and network management.
Okay, cool. Mate, I've been walking around the arena here, and there's been a bit of chat about network data, visibility, and security.
Yeah.
How is IPS involved in this?
Yeah. Glad you asked me that question. So it's critical for everyone these days with the dynamic energy industry, the way it's changing, lots more challenges with the complexity of lots more renewable generation, DER as well, electric vehicles, all the rest of it, which is impacting on the networks and the design, development, the planning of the network. So it's really crucial that the relevant organisations, whether they be regulators, whether people like AEMO, or the TNSPs, the DNSPs, have really good data and robust management of their data, and also they can share that critical data with other parties that really need to know, for example, like AEMO. So it's not just the raw data itself, but it's actually the analytics that goes into that. Lots of data is around, but it needs to be connected together and analysed in a very smart way, so the outputs can be put up as dashboards, reports, alarms, etc., for those that need to take the relevant actions.
Right, and so IPS is involved heavily in that?
Yeah, we are. So primarily we're about asset management, but more and more we're going into network management.
Yep.
What's the network performance? Where are the highest risks? How do you mitigate those risks? At what cost? We've got investment planning. So there might be network options, there might be generation options, or even demand response options, all to manage the changing sort of supply and demand situation in the market. And as I said, especially challenging with lots of renewables in the market, the lack of system inertia, system strength. So those services need to be codified and quantified, which they are now, and the TNSPs will have to provide those system strength services as part of their services to the market to underpin the system security. So it's so much more complex now, and so the obtaining, the collating, and the intelligent analysing of data is really critical to the efficiency and the robustness of the national energy market.
Okay, cool. Well, I can see your booth down there. For the people that don't know, it is the blue booth. It's the only blue booth down there, isn't it? It's like a crystal blue booth. Now tell me, why do I want to go and visit you at your booth?
Well, I think it's all very well for me to sit up here and participate on all sorts of high-level stuff, but we really would like to invite you into our booth to see our actual demonstration of our very intelligent software and analytics and how it actually works in practice, and also talk to you about how we might be able to help you in your business, whether that be a network service provider, power system operator, generator, market system operator, etc., we've got ways we can help you all. So we really need to have that opportunity to sit down with you, show you how our software works, and talk about some possible ways that we might be able to assist.
So you've got everything in the booth. You're telling me I can come down there, you can show me how it works, we can press buttons.
You can.
It'll be good fun.
You can do everything you need.
Everything we need.
Plus, you can also enter our own competition.
So hang on, there's more?
There's more. Wait, there's more. So we've got some fantastic prizes which you can win just by filling in a simple quiz, registering on our app for a simple quiz. And very excitingly, on Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to add a putting competition into the mix for all you golf aficionados out there. So you'll see us there. So register on our competition app first, and then you'll have free go 3 times in a row, hole in one. It's really easy. I've done it myself. That's not quite true. And you can win a fantastic 6-pack of golf balls. So
6-pack of golf
we've got
balls.
all sorts of things just to encourage people to have fun, but also, you know, the serious side and the business side. We're here for both.
Excellent. I love it. I love it. Greg, is there any other messages you want to tell the folks here at the symposium?
Yeah, look, I think so. I mean, we see a lot of booths around here. Some of them are notionally our competitors, but we don't see it that way. They're all people potentially to collaborate with, because at some point in time, we will need to do that. Not everything, and that's very clear. So I just think the whole message of being open to discussions and collaboration, even with people that traditionally were regarded as your competitors, is very important. I don't think there's any harm in at least an initial discussion. And the sharing of information, I mean, it just helps everyone. So I'm very excited to be in the energy industry. It's kind of like a collegial thing that I want to encourage. So I think that's my message, to say, hey, let's talk about these things. Even if we don't have a personal or company interest, they're still in the interest of the energy industry.
I think that is an excellent message to get across, because at the end of the day, to solve the global crisis at the moment, it can't be done individually. It has to be done as a group.
Yeah, and it's a huge challenge leading up to 2030, and everyone knows this, particularly with the transmission infrastructure. How are we going to build 7,000, 10,000 kilometres of infrastructure?
Easy.
At that
Easy.
point? It seems nearly impossible. Maybe it can be done, but it will not be possible without a lot of collaboration and sharing of information.
It will be. It will be. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Greg Jones from IPS Energy. Thank you very much, and we will see you afternoon tea for our next CIGRE Chat. We'll see you then. Thanks, Greg.
Thanks. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.